Hi, Cherry from the UK car dealership. So today I'll show you Nissan Juke in blue, beautiful blue color available for sale. I quickly show you the exterior. I'll show you the interior. Amazing car. So that's the startup. So I quickly give you a good start again, so you guys can see. It's the navigation system in here. I think it does have a back camera. It's the back seats of the car. It's the boot. And if you just pull that pull that out, it will just see it go down. You guys can take the pictures. And yeah, this is pretty much. We have many different cars here. We have a car wash as well.